Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert my USD into PHP and PayPal or Philippine pesos. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're doing contractor work and you got paid in USD, but you need to convert that into PHP so that you can transfer it to your bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to PayPal. Next, click on the drop-down menu where it says Manage Money, and then click on View Money page. Now, once you're on this page here, it's going to show a list of your currencies. Click on Convert Currency to where it says US dollar, and then from here, click on the To country, and then click on Philippine pesos. Now, simply just follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert USD into PHP on PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.